Alrighty, we're here at Target in State Street here in Madison, Wisconsin. This is a recent Target location that just opened up not too long ago here in Madison. Look at this interesting elevator setup. They have a HydroFit, and over here you have an MEI. We're gonna ride the HydroFit first. This is a really strange layout. Reason why this is a HydroFit, because this is actually the original elevator from when this used to be Under Armour, then closed and then became Target, and Target added that elevator over there. Interesting, the lantern lights up a little too early before the elevator gets here. It's got in the basement. Car recognition. Cab view. It's a pretty decent cab for a HydroFit. So Otis HydroFit. This is a MRL indicator. 35 horsepower capacity. Series 2 buttons. It's the basement. We'll go to 1. Here at 1. That's okay. Doesn't run too bad for a HydroFit MRL. Just don't like the fact that it's MRL and it's hydro. All right, there it goes. All right, and that's it.